we have to find the difference. We use the same rule like for subtracting integers. We have rational numbers here, fractions. So first we copy first number, 5 and 1 over 3. We change subtraction to addition of opposite number. Opposite to 2 and 1 over 6 is negative 2 and 1 over 6. One more time. When we have to subtract rational numbers, we use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So we change subtraction to addition of opposite number. Opposite negative sign we change to positive, and 2 over 1 6 we have opposite to 2 and 1 over 6 is negative 2 and 1 over 6. So now we have addition of two negative numbers, both of them negative, so we copy negative sign and we have to just add 5 and 1 over 3 plus 2 and 1 over 6. We have mixed numbers to add, so we need to have, when we have fractions, we need to have the same denominator to add. We have 1 over 3 and 1 over 6, so the common denominator will be 6. It must be the smallest number which is divisible by 6 and 3. So we have 6 here and 3 we have in the first fraction. To have 6 I have to multiply denominator by 2. Whatever I did with denominator I have to do with numerator. So we have 5 and 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 and 1 over 6. Now, copy negative sign to add these two mixed numbers. We add whole number to whole number and we have to add these two fractions. We have the same denominator, so we can do this. 5 plus 2 is 7, and fractions when we add, we copy the numerator and we add numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. We can reduce our fraction 3 over 6, so we will divide numerator by 3 and denominator by 3. When we reduce, we divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So we have negative 7, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we got negative 7 and half. Next example, subtraction. So again, you can memorize that when we have two negative signs, give you always positive. Or you have to remember when we subtract rational numbers, we use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So we change subtraction to addition of opposite number. Opposite to negative 3 over 4 is 3 over 4. So first fraction we copy, negative sign we change to positive. Opposite to negative 3 over 4 is 3 over 4. Or you memorize this, negative and negative is positive. So two negative signs give you positive. So this is equal, we have two fractions, addition, the same denominators, so we copy the numerator and we add numerators. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 over 4 is 1. Next example, negative and negative give you positive. Or you remember when we subtract rational numbers, we add its opposite. So we copy first fraction, first number, 12 and 4 over 7. We add opposite, so negative 21 and 1 over 7, so it will be positive 21 and 1 over 7. Or memorize, negative and negative is positive. So we have positive sign only. So this is equal. We have to add mixed numbers, the same denominator we have. So we first add whole numbers, 12 plus 21, so it will be 33. And now when we add fractions with the same denominator, we copy the numerator and we add numerators. 4 plus 1 is 5. We cannot reduce 5 over 3. So this is my solution.